Vaseline, one timeless skincare ingredient that has transcended generations. With its smooth texture and healing properties, this humble petroleum jelly has become a must-have in every beauty routine. In today's video, discover unique and powerful Vaseline hacks for your skin, lips, and hair that you've probably never tried before. Skincare hacks. 1. Coconut oil plus Vaseline for stretch marks. Mix 2 teaspoons of coconut oil with 2 teaspoons of Vaseline and store it in a small container. Apply this to stretch marks every night to fade them and reduce the appearance of cellulite. 2. Turmeric plus Vaseline for dark spots. Combine a pinch of turmeric with a teaspoon of Vaseline. Dab it on dark spots daily to help them fade away. Tip: not ideal for oily or acne-prone skin. 3. Vaseline plus olive oil for wrinkles. To fight wrinkles, mix 2 teaspoons of olive oil with 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Massage into your hands, legs, or face to lock in moisture and reduce fine lines. 4. Coffee plus Vaseline for glowing skin. Brighten dull skin by mixing coffee powder with Vaseline and a few drops of almond oil. Massage gently for 5 minutes, then wipe off for a radiant glow. 5. Vaseline for cracked heels. Massage Vaseline into cracked heels, wear socks, and sleep overnight. Wake up to noticeably softer feet. 6. Vaseline for dry skin remedy. Mix 2 teaspoons coconut oil, 1 teaspoon olive oil, and 3 teaspoons Vaseline. Apply all over for deep hydration and elasticity, especially in winter. Lip and eye hacks. 7. Beetroot plus Vaseline for chapped lips. Mix a pinch of beetroot powder with Vaseline. Use nightly to heal lips and get a natural pink tint, like a DIY lip gloss. 8. Vaseline plus vitamin E for lashes. Break open a vitamin E capsule and mix with Vaseline. Apply with a wand on your lashes daily for thicker, longer lashes. 9. Vaseline plus castor oil for eyebrows. Combine Vaseline with castor oil and brush through your brows. Leave overnight for fuller, healthier eyebrows. 10. Vaseline plus turmeric plus almond oil for dark circles. Mix Vaseline, turmeric, and almond oil. Dab under your eyes and leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse off for nourished, brighter under eyes. Hair and beauty hacks. 11. Treat split ends and frizz. Smooth a tiny bit of Vaseline on split ends or flyaway to instantly tame frizz. 12. Vaseline as makeup remover. Apply Vaseline to a cotton pad and gently remove makeup. It melts away product while keeping your skin soft and moisturized. 13. Vaseline for healing wounds. Its high moisture locking ability helps heal minor cuts, scrapes, and scratches faster. Just apply a thin layer and let it work its magic. Vaseline is more than just a moisturizer, it's a beauty multitasker you need in your daily routine. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Nutrient Fusion for more DIY beauty and wellness tips. See you in the next video.